the hell is this?
Is that Brondo stuff?
They're watering crops with a sports drink?
Yo, what's up? Alright, so here's the vid. Okay, you take these 5 things. You could probably get away with, without 2 of, wow. You could probably get away without that. So you could make it with 4 things if you have to. So you can see right here, this doesn't cost much at all. So those 5 things make this. Oh, squeaky chip. So it's pretty awesome to rip on. Hold on. Let's turn this big light off, try to get more shadow. Yeah, there you go. All that shadow shows up, you can see the lines, contours. There's a peak right in the middle. You can see it all kind of comes to the middle here. But there's this awesome ring around it for side hilling. It's very, very rad. Alright. So this course is like surprisingly strong. Like it blew me away. I didn't know what to expect when I first started doing it. I made it the other day in like 20, 23 minutes, 25 minutes maybe. I just kind of wung it together. I was like, okay, I got this cloth, I got mortar. Let's see what I can do. So I want to like learn how to use it before I do such a huge course, right? What consistency I need to mix the mortar, if adding paint is a good idea, or if I should do it after. Many little things I needed to learn. And I kind of have an idea now, which is pretty awesome. So as you can see, like the course isn't easy. Like, you can sit here and spin until you find your right line. And you should walk up and over. Slipping, lots of slipping. Let's try some side hilling here. Alright, so this gets pretty freaking gnarly. These tires are fantastic for this course. Hyrax would be great, trenchers would be great. Anything small. I don't think you want to go too big with a course like this. Oh, pretty gnarly dip there. Flexing the rig pretty hard. As you can see. You can pull out of this. I'm actually really enjoying this thing because I can get really close. So, like when I'm running this thing on the table, I'm watching every angle, nice and slow as my axle did here. How's the back tires lined? Do I need to freaking back up or shift? Do I need to move the rig over? It was a lot of fun. It's super technical. And this is just like the base color of the mortar. So I kind of watched a tutorial on how to water wash with acrylic. And so I'd take this thing now that it's set. I'd spray it down with water where I want to add color. Put a dop of acrylic paint and then get my brush. Soak it in water and then mix that in, and then just kind of become part of the terrain instead of being like hot focal spots of paint. Like if you were to spray paint or anything, it adds some of the nicest looking terrain you can imagine. Very simple technique to do too. But yeah, this course is awesome. Very much fun. Oh, and for anybody wondering, so as you can see, that's pretty good size, right? This thing weighs nothing. It's 4 pounds, 5 ounces. So technically I could take the cardboard out from underneath and it'd weigh even less. It'd probably be under the 4-pound mark then. So it's a big piece of cardboard with another little piece inside. I didn't know how much to use, so yeah, there you go. Cool little course. All sorts of rad features. So I just crumpled up the pans and put them down. Just kind of made a peak in the middle, however the crumples went. Alright. Let's see what we can do.
Come on, Dozo.
Yeah, I like this course a lot. And this is just the first one. As you can see, like, I have leftover material just bunched up in the corners. I should have added a bit more mortar and filled in these spots and made it look more like rock instead of like a cloth. Like up here, no problem, that doesn't faze me at all, but these little wadded up areas I could have done a better job. But it was cold, I was running out of time. I was like, alright, that's good enough, let it set. Anyway, peace.
But Brondo's got what plants crave.
It's got electrolytes.